What's going on, YouTube? Big Country coming at you one more again. All right, we heading to the river. Finally, the boat is in tow. We were gonna spend the night down there and do some set lines, but I walked outside this morning and it was blistering cold, and I said I wasn't gonna freeze my giblets off. So we just gonna go for the day. It's 63 degrees out there right now. I'm not sure what the water temperature is or what's gonna be when we get there, because we ain't there yet. But it's probably gonna be cold. I don't know. The water was coming out the spigot at the house outside the water hose.
Miss Angie better not try to go swimming.
Yeah, Angie better not try to go swimming today. Might get some hypothermic action going on. But we'll keep y'all informed when we get down to the river. Look at this, turn the cooler over. Drink cooler. Or the bait cooler.
We are here. Just got to go around the curve, see
Lord
how many.
Mercy, the water pushed the trees over the road, y'all. That storm. Lord of mercy. Yeah, we finally made it. We made it down here. It's
Right at noontime.
yeah, right at noon. But I was wrong. I said it's gonna be 10 to 20 people down here. There ain't 2 boats down here.
Well, it's not Friday afternoon yet.
Oh man.
Not quite.
Oh man.
Somebody's fishing on. Somebody's got a pontoon out there, ain't it?
Oh man. Look right chin, man. They put me right there. Trees all over the place. Ramp is gone, but
The ramp is gone.
the ramp is gone. There ain't no dock out there no more. The ramp gone. There's 2 sections. Supposed to be 5.
Okay. You said that when we looked on the
I told you it looked like it was gone.
because they have a live camera down here to show you the water conditions during the day, and Country kept saying, you know, right after the storm, yeah, them docks are gone. All right, y'all, this is a situation with the boat ramp. Y'all see the markings on the piling about how high did it get. But right out here, you notice by the poles, there's supposed to be
Another pole.
ramp, like at least 2, if not 3 more ramps.
Yeah, sections.
Sections of the
Dock.
the boat dock ramp, whatever you want to call it. And they're not there. So they're probably downriver. I wouldn't be surprised if we'd go downriver and find them halfway stuck up in a tree. Like I say, you can go to the same river so many times, and yet it'll still be something different about it. It's never quite exact. It's never the same. So, all right, he's about to back it up. Let me move on out his way. Plainly see where the water line was from the storm surge.
15 to 20 foot. don't know what it is, but she's coming in. Probably an old mudfish or a turtle. Whoa, no, they ain't no turtle. Ooh, Pipper's not. I think it's mudfish. Mudfish. He's pulling pretty good. Nope, it's old kitty.
The net don't even have the
They got the handle in it.
They ain't doing it.
Hand me the net without the handle.
Ain't that quick.
All right, get my line out the way. I was just picking back, telling her.
Ooh. Angie's got one over here.
Hold on, I'm gonna try to boat flip him. Up, he in the boat. He count.
All right. Let me see what I got.
Got old channel.
Wow, Angie's catching them.
Uh-oh. I tried some kind of new, some Walmart catfish bait. I call it Walmart catfish bait because I got it from Walmart a while back. Good Lord, how long they thought the daggone stringer needed to be? 3 miles long?
I've only caught 2. I bring him in a perch. He's caught that catfish, and he's caught some nice brim. Oh, I thought I had me a good size one because he sure was putting up a little fight. Yep.
Know this trip. All right. Throw him in. He think he's gone.
He ain't going nowhere.
He ain't going nowhere. He think he's footloose and fast and free today. Another little channel.
Okay.
Woo.
Meanwhile, I know a two nice big size brim since the last fish that he caught. So yeah, that's
Okay,
2.
I don't mind catching channel catfish. Get it good. It will be good eating. We're gonna find out. But you can't get a little bit bigger.
Yeah, you throwing him back?
No.
Okay.
You think I ought to throw him back?
Oh.
I'm about to throw him back so he can live to get bigger. Yeah, see how pretty the speckles is on him?
Mm-hmm.
When they get bigger, they lose those speckles. Gotta get the slime off my hand. I ain't got my glove. I ain't set up for nothing, man. Keep catching them, we're gonna sit here a little while.
Yep. Anyway, I've been catching right over there. Right over here. Between the piling and right in there.
Another little channel. Yeah, he's smaller than the last. He's smaller than the last one, ain't he?
They supposed to be getting bigger, country, not no smaller.
That was pecking up my daggone. I know people eat that right there. They'll cut the head off and take the entrails out, skin it up, throw it in the grease, hot grease, fire it on. You gotta be careful with them. They got them backward facing things on their fins, and they will mess you up. I'm gonna put live bait on that one. Live brim, whole brim. It wasn't a real big one. Always keep you a wet rag. You can wash your hand off. I get these big ones, the big dish towel ones, and then have one in dry, one in wet. After you get that on there, you got your bait where you want it. You got your pick, got your spot. Sling it all, get out of it.
There is the part of the dock.
There's the boat ramp.
Boat ramp, yep. Wonder if they're gonna come get it and pull it back up that way.
I don't know.
Still look like it's okay.
Ain't nothing wrong with it, dog. It just floated away.
Yep. Ooh, that wind is cold. I know. Yep.
People have been walking out here.
Mm-hmm. There's somebody lying.
Yeah, I know. I see that. Hope I didn't catch it when I crossed. There's somebody there going to a fishing spot. Somebody might be already.
They ain't got a tag on that.
Probably not a set line. Probably somebody fishing. Hoping for it. I see somebody here. Hello? Somebody here? Just wondering. We about to start fishing. I don't know if they forgot it or what's going on
It
with
don't
it.
look like nothing's on it.
No, I'm gonna go pull it in and see what's going on with it.
Okay. But yeah.
Almost hit it with a prop.
Yeah. You got hung up. Cause you done got your face blistered. Mine too. It feels blistered.
Yeah.
Right. It's not too far.
Probably till we leave.
Yeah.
But I've got good bites here before.
Mm-hmm.
Plus she can fish right there with a cork and
Right out there.
there or there.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And I can fish out there from a kitty.
Yep.
It's freaking hot in this spot. She already talking about she about to freeze.
I was so glad when he put me back in the sun earlier.
But dang it, I got Gatorade.
What? A Gatorade.
A Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Angie, we're drifting away.
Bro.
Hold the rod. Hold the rod.
Okay. The fish is trying to drag us off the bank. I feel it. I feel it. We've been getting some nice brim here.
everything. Hanging. Oh, you.
Rat.
It come off right there. It literally come off right there.
Okay, we got to situate the boat back, I reckon, ain't it?
Well, that's the plan.
Man.
I need a dip net. That's a nice one.
Hold up. Woo!
I think that's a mudfish. Get down there, buddy. Oh, that's a big old mudfish. Oh, dang. It's all.
I need to.
Got it. No! About to cut my finger off. You ready?
No. Woo! It's cold, buddy.
All right.
Gracious country.
I got it.
Hold that rascal up. I'm the bowfin. You trying to steal my nickname?
Nope.
Man, you was hoping that was a big cat.
Yes, I was. But I figured when it was swimming up the river, it wasn't.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
It is.
It's a real nice one.
Now you got to get him out of there, living. That water cold, buddy.
I'm trying not to.
I'm talking to him.
No, I'm trying not to get. Get his head up this way. Hold it. Oh, I get hit. Ooh, don't you bite me. I'm gonna lift him up shoulder first.
Alrighty.
I ain't lifting him up with my hand though.
I know.
Hopefully.
Oh, you gonna?
That hurt. All right, there you go. And
Up a little.
I don't know where the scale is to weigh him.
Yep. Oh, that's a big boy.
This thing. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. And he is gone. Probably back to get in one of my other lines. Oh, that was fun. Oh, I'm about ready to go now. My shoulder's gone.
You ain't about ready to go yet. You.
No, I picked it.
Your body might be, but you ain't.
Little channel. I don't know if you can hear him making a little noise. I was thinking about using for bait, but he's so cute. I don't know if you can hear that.
Yep.
But I'm gonna throw him back and let him live to get bigger, so somebody else can catch him, or I can come back and catch him another time. Or her, him, it.
Yeah, it's good to find out. Starting to bite.
Look at the color on it. Little spots on it. Ain't that pretty? They don't stink.
I thought they do it smell pretty.
It don't stink. I would see if it had a rotten smell to it or something.
Okay.
But it don't. I'm planning on getting me something to eat already. I gotta keep my hand clean. A boat just come along and stirred up the water. And as soon as he stirred up the water, we got that boat bite. So over in the Mississippi River, they got what they call the barge bite. Here in the low country of South Carolina, it's called a boat bite. When the boats come along, stir up the water, we get a bite sometimes. It works. Caught one the last time, but with the catfish was the brim. When another boat came by. All right, I'm gonna get back to it, see if we can't catch some more. Tangle up, baby. Turn out a bit. There we go. I'm gonna tangle. Oh. It ain't real big giant. There's a lot of work in here. That's a decent size, feel like probably a blue. Wait, feel. Come on. Oh, there we go.
That's the blue, ain't it?
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
No? No? Oh, no, I can't tell. He slimed the heck at that one.
You can get him with that net.
You gotta open up, buddy. I can't get the hook out if you don't open up.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I don't know if y'all can see that. Caught him on a little brim hook. I mean a little brim hook. Wasn't expecting nothing like that tonight. Oh, wait a minute, where am I? There, wrench him off a little bit. Another channel catfish. A little bit bigger than the last one. I'll throw him back down, let him go back on about his bait. Miss Country got splashed. I didn't do it on purpose, honey. Alright, y'all. We in the truck, we on the way home. Just left the river. I winded up with what about 5 or 6 little catfish. Only kept 2 of them though.
You had
and a bunch of little brim.
Well, I think it's a pretty good size.
Yeah.
Too. The ones I caught,
Yeah.
I'd call like 3 or 4 nice, real big ones for brim. But I didn't catch any catfish.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna thank you for watching. Hit the like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, keep updated all videos when we post when we go live. Until next time, as always, keep it fresh.